Welcome students of standard 10. Okay. How are you doing? Studying nicely? You have revised the chapter similarity? Okay. We'll go ahead. Okay. Yet I didn't get any response from you. You write what changes you want, which sums you want, how is your study going on. Write something in the comment box. Okay? Come on. So today I am starting with the chapter Pythagoras theorem of geometry. M2. So understand first and then practice. Okay? See. Basics of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Proofs we will do later on. Okay? We will do proofs slowly. Once you understand the chapter, that is important. Later on we can do everything. For revision practice, live lectures, everything can be done. But you support me. That's all. Okay, see, what is Pythagoras theorem? In triangle ABC, this is only for right angle triangle, okay? In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, right? So it is right angle triangle. So then, AB square plus BC square, sides containing right angle, and opposite to B is right angle is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse one side. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Okay? Converse of that, converse of Pythagoras theorem, if this is given AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, then AC is the hypotenuse, opposite to AC, and this angle B is 90 degree. This is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Names may be different, triangle PQR, element, but you don't get confused. Okay? Now important theorem. Okay? For solving sums and proofs, theorem of geometric mean. What is this? Geometric mean. If ABC, three numbers are in geometric proportion, okay, GP, then B square equal to AC. This is geometric mean. So in triangle ABC, angle ABC 90 degree, okay, and BD perpendicular to AC, then BD square is AD into DC, right? BD square is AD into DC. This is theorem on geometric mean. Okay. Now three sides of a triangle. Okay. Mostly they are Pythagorean triplets. So what are Pythagorean triplets? If AB are two positive numbers, of course, and A is greater than B, okay, then the three sides of the triangle, A square plus B square, A square minus B square, and 2AB. It is right angle triangle. See like this. A square plus B square is hypotenuse. A square minus B square is one side, 2AB is other side. Okay? This way you can, by putting any, you try with 5, 7, 8, different numbers, so you will be knowing many triplets. Exam would be easy for you. Just play as a game. Okay? Take A as 10, B as 5, whatever. Next, 30, 60, 90 theorem. Important theorem. A in triangle ABC, if angles of triangle are 30, 60, 90. Angle C is 30 degree. So side opposite to 30 degree is AB. And side opposite to 60 degree is BC. Opposite and not adjacent. So AB is half of AC. Side opposite to 30 degree is half the hypotenuse. And side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. Understood? One more important theorem, 45, 45, 90 theorem. See, it is isosceles triangle, triangle ABC. B is 90 degree and isosceles, AB equal to BC. Then of course angles are also congruent, isosceles triangle theorem. 45, 45. So this is, you have to use 45, 45, 90 theorem. So AB equal to BC and that is equal to 1 upon root 2 AC. Understanding? This way you can use the application I have told you. Okay? Proofs will do later on, don't worry. So we'll go ahead with the exercise. Okay. So we'll start with exercise 2.1. Okay? Pythagorean triplet, you have understood. Okay? So but here we are using converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. See, Sum. Identify Pythagorean triplet, but using converse. First sum is 3, 5, 4. Three sides of a triangle given. Which is highest side? 5. Okay? 5 square is 25. Right? And remaining two sides. Addition of squares. 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16, 25. Okay? So 5 square is 25 equal to 25. So 5 square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So by converse of Pythagoras theorem, this is Pythagorean triplet. Understood? 5 is greatest side. You have to take greatest side separately because that can be hypotenuse. But here it is hypotenuse. Second sum. Okay? 4, 9, 12. Understanding? Okay. Which is greatest side? Tell me. 12. Okay. 12 square, 144. Right? Okay. 4 square plus 9 square. 4 and 9 are remaining side. 16 plus 81, that comes to 97. Okay. Okay. So 144 not equal to 97. So 12 square not equal to 4 square plus 9 square. So this is not Pythagorean triplet, as converse of Pythagoras theorem not satisfied. Meaning? Okay. So I am giving you now homework. These few sums I am giving you to try. 5, 12, 13. Try. Which is greatest side? 13. Okay. 24, 70, 74. Try. 10, 24, 27. Try. 11, 60, 61. 15, 20, 25. I have given you extra. Check, practice, study at home. Okay, simple sum. So I am giving you for homework. Okay. Go ahead with second sum. Any doubt, write in the comment box. Don't just sit. I am there to help you. Okay. See. In triangle MNP. Figure given. Angle MNP 90 degree. NQ perpendicular to MP. Okay. NQ is 9. QP is 4. You have to find NQ. Theorem on geometric mean NQ square. NQ square is NQ into QP. 9 into 4 given 36. NQ square is 36. So NQ equal to, what is root of 36? 6. Right? Understood? Any doubt? Shall we go ahead? Next sum. Okay? Okay, sum number 3. This is also very simple. Okay? See, right angle and perpendicular, if you see, geometric mean. Okay? In figure, this figure is given, angle QPR. In this triangle, angle QPR is 90 degree. In triangle PQR. And PM perpendicular to QR. Of course, geometric mean. Given Q dash M dash R. Okay, now here, PM is given 10. QM is 8 and find QR. Okay? So this is 2 marks. Okay. So same PM square is QM into MR. Theorem of geometric mean. Okay. So 10 square equal to 8 into MR. 10 square is 100 upon 8. MR is 12.5. MR is 12.5. QM is 8. So QR is QM plus MR. That is 8 plus 12.5, 20.5. Understood? Any doubt? Right. Question 4. We'll move to question 4. See. Triangle PRS. Angle P is 30 degree. Given. Angle S 90 degree. Given. Figure is only given. And SR is 6. You have to find PS and RP. Understanding? So 30. This is 90. So third angle must be 60. Angle sum property. Sum of measures of angle of triangle must be 180. Okay. So side opposite SR. SR is half of RP. Right? Opposite to 30 is half the hypotenuse. This is 30, 60, 90 theorem. Okay. So SR is half RP. So but SR given 6 equal to half RP. 2. RP equal to 6 into 2. 12. RP you got as 12. First answer you got. Okay, now PS equal to Root 3 PS is opposite to 60. Right? This is 60. Angle R is 60. So PS equal to root 3 upon 2 RP. So root 3 upon 2 into 12. 2 1s are 2 6 are 6 root 3. You can write units if nothing is given. Not compulsory, but better to write. Okay? Now, understood? Any doubt? You watch again and again. Okay? This way you can study more. Fifth sum will go to triangle ABC, given figure. This is fill in the blank type sum. Most of the things given, you have to just fill the blanks. I am helping you. AB equal to BC given है, given. Angle B 90 degree given है, and AC is rooted. Isosceles right angle triangle means it is 45, 45, 90. Get it? Okay. So AB equal to BC. So angle BAC is 45. Right? Okay. Reason they have not written, but you can write if this some normal sum comes. So then you have to write the reason 45, 45, 90 theorem. Okay? So AB equal to BC equal to 1 upon root 2 AC. AC is given as root 8. Root 8 is 2 root 2 thirds. 4 into 2, 8 is 4, it can come out as 2. Now root 2 can cut answer 2. AB equal to BC equal to 2. Simple sum. Any doubt? Write in the comment box. Don't worry. I am there to help you. Maths is not difficult. Next sum. Okay. Okay. Look at the sum. Find the side and perimeter of a square. Okay, square. You know all sides equal. Whose diagonal is given this time 10 centimeter. Diagonal. Just draw normal square ABCD. You okay? And all angles right angle you know, and all sides equal. So AB equal to BC. So here is isosceles right angle triangle 45, 45, 90. Getting? Okay. So AB equal to 1 upon root 2 AC. This is 45, 45, 90 theorem. So AB is 1 upon root 2 into 10. 10 upon root 2, rationalize the denominator. Into root 2 upon root 2. Root 2 upon root 2 is 2. 10 root 2 upon 2. 2 1 are 2 5 are. 5 root 2 centimeter. Side you get 5. Okay. Now perimeter is 4 into side. 4 into 5 root 2, that is 20 root 2 centimeter. Perimeter of square, you know, 4 into side. Right? Any doubt? Understood? We'll go ahead. Sum number 7. Here figure is given, little DFE, triangle DFE. In triangle DFE, angle DFE 90 degree given. And FG perpendicular to ED. This is given. So you should understand geometric mean property theorem. Getting? Okay. See, FG square equal to EG into GD. Right? Now given GD is 8, FG is 12. Find EG, FD, EF. So 3 marks on this is. FG square equal to EG into GD. FG square is EG into GD. So 12 square equal to EG into 8. 144 upon 8 equal to EG. Cutting. 18 8 is 144. EG is 18. First answer. Now EG is 18. See. Now you can use similarity in right angle triangle or independent Pythagoras. It's your choice. Okay, your choice. You can use whatever you want. Okay. So I am going for Pythagoras. Getting? You can go for similarity right angle triangle also. Okay. See. In triangle DFG. So now second FD is asked. FD. This is also right angle triangle. I am using Pythagoras. FD square is FG square plus GD square. So FD square is FG square plus GD square, 12 square plus 8 square. 144 plus 64. 208. Okay. So FD square is 208. FD equal to root 208. 208 16 into 13 square factor. 16 can come out as 4. FD equal to 4 root 13. Answer. Understood? Unit not given. You also don't worry, you write units. Okay. Now third, this triangle. EF also is asked. EF square, Pythagoras. FG square plus EG square. I am just little pity, but you write full Pythagoras theorem. Reasons are important. I wrote here Pythagoras, but you write full Pythagoras theorem. Okay, your presentation is important. So EF square equal to 12 square plus 18 square. We have calculated this is at 18. EG as 18. FG 12 given. 12 square 144, 18 square 324, adding 468. 468 will break up as 36 into 30. Right? You factorize properly. The way you calculate did using Heron's formula, square root, long division, whatever you follow. Okay. So 36 can take on 36 can come out as 6. 6 root 13 is the answer. Understood? All the three things we calculated. Okay? Easy. Maths is not difficult. Okay? Sure. Sum number 8. Rectangle you understand? All angles right angle. Okay? See. Find the diagonal of a rectangle whose length is 35 cm and breadth is 12 cm. Roughly I have drawn one diagram, rectangle ABCD, length 35, breadth 12. Okay? AC is diagonal, you have to find out. You can easily understand ABC is right angle triangle. So we can use Pythagoras. Okay? Pythagoras, this is hypotenuse, right angle opposite. Okay. So AB 35, BC, 90 degree. AC square, you can write angle ABC 90 degree because given it's a rectangle. So property of rectangle, you can write the reason. So AC square is AB square plus BC square, Pythagoras theorem. 35 square plus 12 square, 1225 plus 144, 1369. AC equal to root 1369. The sum odd squares you should know, you should learn. Practice, start writing. Every day make a square up to 100. Table and read. By reading often and often, you will remember, oh, this is a square of something. Or use, you can revise. You watch my video, square root long division. How to find out. By using long division method. You have done in 8th standard. If you remember, it's fine. If you don't remember, tell me again. If you don't understand, I will make the video again. But watch my video, square root long division. 37 centimeter. So length of diagonal is 37 centimeter. You start writing 37 square, 35 square, middle 39 square. Okay. Make table. And 9 sum. Okay. 9 sum I have already solved. There was urgency during a board exam. I have solved. Watch my video. Go to my playlist, standard 10. Okay. Name of the video is important sums for standard X from similarity and Pythagoras. And there I have solved the 9th sum. Okay. Watch the sum. Watch the video. Understand the sum. If you don't understand, tell me again. At the time of revision, I will take the sum. Okay, but you write, respond me, give me some response. You want more and more lectures? Then subscribe my channel. Okay, give likes, I am waiting. Okay, we'll go ahead with next one. Okay. Walls of two buildings on either side of a street are parallel to each other. A ladder 5.8 meter long is placed on the street such that its top just reaches the window of a building at a height 4 meter. On turning the ladder over to other side of the street, its top touches the window of the other building at a height of 4.2 meter. So find the width of the street. Okay, let's draw diagram as per description. Okay. Understood the sum? Okay. Figure drawn as per description. See, AB and DE are buildings. Parallel, this is road. Opposite buildings. One ladder. Let name AC of ladder. When it turned to that building, but length of ladder will not change. It will save only 5.8 meter given. Understanding? Here this height is given as 4 meter. It touches at the height of 4 meter. On turning, on this building, it touches the height of 4.2 meter. Okay? So you have to find the width of the street. 2 times Pythagoras. This no other way. BC Pythagoras, you can find out this is right angle triangle. This is also right angle triangle. Find out the Pythagoras. Then BC plus CD will be the length of street. Right? Okay. So first we will take triangle ABC. AC equal to C equal to 5.8. Length of ladder not going to change. AB square in triangle ABC. AB square plus BC square is AC square. Right? AC is hypotenuse. Pythagoras. PT I have written, but you write full Pythagoras theorem. In triangle CDE, CD square plus D square equal to C square. Pythagoras theorem. I have written common, you don't write common, right? Separately. Full statement Pythagoras theorem. Okay? So CD square equal to C square minus D square. So 5.8 square minus 4.2 square. See, this is A square minus B square. Is A plus B, A minus B I am doing. 5.8 plus 4.2, 5.8 minus 4.2. 10, 5.8 into 1.6. Just addition subtraction. 16. CD square is 16, CD is 4 meter. Okay. CD we got here. BC square is AC square minus AB square. 5.8 square minus 4 square. A square minus B square. A plus B, A minus B. Identities. 5.8 plus 4, that is 9.8. 5.8 minus 4 is 1.8. Okay. So product 9.8 into 1.8. You can factorize that method also. It's okay. 17.64. Okay. Multiplication. Root 17.64. You can find out long division method or factorize. You have done. You have calculated. Square root in standard 8. That comes to 4.2 meter. In case of any problem, you write it to me. Okay, I will solve. I will teach you again how to find square root. I am there to help you. Don't hesitate to write. So width of the street, BC you got BC plus CD. This is width of the street. BC 4.2 plus 4, 8.2 meter. Answer 8.2 meter. And sum is over. Okay. So if you like my teaching, give like, share my video and subscribe my channel. That's important for you. Okay. You can go ahead more and more with more and more subscribers. I can give you live lectures. During exam you will need emergency. Understand? So please do a favor. Okay. So just touch the subscribe channel and bell icon. Okay. So you will get the new notification. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye.